We got 3 open windows now. That one, and then you can see straight through. What's that above your head?
Oh. Ken loves cat. Oh. So now we're getting ready to do a template for the floor with this green guard board. So we're gonna lay all 3 pieces down, and then we're gonna take out this black mat from the floor, put it on top, and then create a template.
All right, now we got this in, so we still have to glue it down. So right now we got the sound deadening, which is 1/4 inch. We got the foam board, which is a 1/2 inch, and then we got the ODB zip system. So we're looking at just a little over 1 inch thickness, and it's she's rock solid, and she's not even nailed down yet. But we're not gonna nail it down. We're going to be putting glue on everything.
Boom, baby. Yes! I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
Ask yourself this. Do they build cars with wood? They don't even build RVs no more with wood. What we gotta use nowadays? Extruded aluminum. Lightweight, super durable. I don't know if it's stronger than wood or not. If you ask me, it probably is. Everything is gonna be built with extruded aluminum. And we're just using lightweight wood like 1/4 inch of Baltic Burch for the covering of it. The wood framing, don't buy it. But the fun part is putting this erector set. You know what, I think they stopped calling it erector set because, you know, it sounds like, you know what I'm trying to say. So I think they stopped calling it. I think it's called mechanical set or something now. But anyway, we're gonna erect this thing the way it's supposed to be. All right, saw what I did there. Let's work. This is for you people that don't have restrooms or bathrooms, showers, or toilets in their camper van. Let me show you how easy it is to build yourself a bathroom in your camper van. Alrighty guys, our van is 95% done. So I'm gonna give you a sneak preview, but we do have the full tour coming later. So take a quick look at this. Of course, this folds down to a full bed. Got other little surprises. Got a lot of storage up top and the bottom. We got our LED lighting at the bottom all the way down here, all the way down there, all the way down the ceiling. Here is our Velit AC unit, and that thing pumps cold. This is our chandelier, but I accidentally broke the cover, so I'm gonna have to put that back up there. We have our little station over here with our refrigerator, our fit station, which is frosty, ice, and tea. Then we have up here is one of our pantries, it's little pots and cups and stuff. We have a full bathroom with medicine cabinet, shower, and we've got some other surprises up in here, guys. So this is just a quick preview. KapKen, guys, this thing is gonna be a doozy. We're gonna give you pricing and everything, what it completely cost us and how you can get one built too.